Hello children. Children, in the previous video, we have started lesson number 9, that is comparison of adjectives. And I have explained you about the degrees of comparison of adjectives, that there are 3 degrees of comparison of adjectives, that is positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Now children, we are going to study about the rules of how to form the comparative and superlative degrees from the positive degree. Now see children, we are going to start with rules for formation of comparative and superlative degrees. The first rule is that when the positive degree or word ends with a consonant, we add ER or EST to form comparative and superlative degree. Now children, when a word which is in the positive degree, when it ends with a consonant, children, you all know what are consonants. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U and rest of the alphabets are consonants. So when a word, or you can say positive word, or the word in a positive degree ends with a consonant, and when we have to change that word into comparative and superlative degree, what we do is we add ER at the end of a positive word to change it into comparative degree, and EST at the end of the positive word to change it into superlative degree. For example, clean. Children, you can see here the word clean ends with a consonant. So when we convert it into comparative degree, we will write cleaner. ER is added in comparative degree and cleanest. EST is added in superlative degree. Let me give you one more example. Hard. D is a consonant. Harder. ER is added. Hardest. EST is added here. ER is added in comparative degree and EST is added in superlative degree, and this is the positive degree. Comparative and this is superlative. Is it clear to you that when a positive word ends with a consonant, then ER is added in the comparative degree and EST is added in the superlative degree, and this ER and EST is added to the positive word, the word which is given in the positive degree. Now the second rule is when the positive word ends with a vowel plus consonant, we double the ending consonant and then add ER and EST in the comparative and superlative degree. Now I will explain you this rule by giving an example. When the positive word ends with a vowel plus consonant, like example, vowel plus consonant, DIM, the word is dim. You can see children here, this is the positive degree, here is the comparative degree and this is the superlative degree. Dim, the word is ending with M. M is a consonant, but before that it is a vowel. I told you vowel plus consonant ends with a vowel plus consonant, means at the end it should be a consonant and before the consonant there should be a vowel. So vowel I is there and M is a consonant. Now what we are going to do to form it in this comparative and superlative degree, we will double the consonant, means the last word, the last consonant will be doubled, means DIM. The consonant is doubled here and then we will add ER and EST. ER will be added in the comparative form and here again the consonant will be doubled and est will be added in the superlative degree. Again I am repeating, when a positive word ends with a vowel plus consonant, means at the end there is a consonant but before consonant there is a vowel, then we will double the ending consonant. The ending consonant, the last consonant which is written in the positive degree, in the positive word, that consonant will be doubled. Means here double M will come and in comparative degree. After that ER will be added and EST will be added in the superlative degree. Let me give you one more example. Big. G is a consonant, I is a vowel. B-I double G means here the consonant has been doubled. Then ER will be added to form comparative degree. Here again biggest. Again here the consonant is doubled and ES is added to form the superlative degree. Like one more example, hot, hotter, hottest. You can see T is a consonant, O is a vowel. Consonant is doubled, ER is added to form comparative degree. Consonant is doubled, EST is added to form superlative degree. Next rule is, when the positive word ends with E, we add R and ST to form comparative and superlative degree. Like I will give you an example for this. When a positive word, this is the positive word, here we will write comparative and then superlative. Positive word like able. You can see children, this word able is ending with E. When a positive word ends with E, then in comparative degree, when we are changing that positive word into comparative degree, then we add R, like A, B, L, E will be written as it is, and R will be added to form comparative degree, and A, B, L, E will be written as it is, and ST will be added to form superlative degree. One more example I will give you. Close. The word is ending with E again. The positive word is ending with E, means R will be added in the comparative degree and ST will be added in the superlative degree. One more example, let it be safe. It is again ending with E. Safe will be written as it is and R will be added in the comparative degree. Safe will be written as it is, then ST will be added in the superlative degree. This is another rule for changing the positive degree into comparative and superlative degree. Now children, the next rule is, when the positive word ends with consonant plus Y. When the positive word ends with consonant plus Y, we add IER and IEST to form comparative and superlative degrees. I will give you an example regarding this. Like suppose I give you an example, lucky. The word is lucky. Children, you can see here the word is ending with Y, but before Y a consonant is there. K is a consonant. When a positive word, this is the positive word, here is a comparative and here we will write superlative. When a positive word ends with Y, but before Y there is a consonant, then for changing it into comparative degree we add IER, means we will remove Y. Y will be removed and luck, IER will be added in the comparative degree and IEST will be written in the superlative degree. Y will be removed. When we are changing it into comparative and superlative degree, Y will be removed and in place of Y, IER and IEST will be written. Let me give you one more example regarding this. Jolly. Y is there at the end and before Y L is there. L is a consonant. The superlative form will be jollier. You can see Y is removed here and here jolliest, IEST. Here also Y is removed. So children, till here I will explain you in this video. Rest of the rules I will explain you in the next video. Thank you.